So highlighting will definitely make your text shorter, okay? And then, so I already told you, so you'll be quite surprised at how you will highlight the right answers. Okay, one thing I like to do with my students, every time we finish a reading test, we go ahead and we highlight the answers. Even if you got the answers wrong or right, it doesn't matter. It's always good to go back to the text and find them. Okay, and what I do sometimes, actually, I did that a lot with my academic English class a few weeks ago. And what we did was I told them to go ahead and so they had to highlight, okay, whatever they wanted to do. And then I told them to highlight the answers with a different color pen. All right. And then I had a student, I think she highlighted everything in yellow. And then I think she used blue to highlight the answers, and some things were green. And I said, what do you have 3 colors? I suggested only 2. And she said, well, green is actually when I highlighted in blue over the yellow. And I was like, why are you doing that? She said, yeah, because that's what I highlighted. So I highlighted it. And then I highlighted it because I thought it was a good idea to highlight that. But then it was actually the answer. And then I highlighted on top of it. And it's green. So I know that everything in my text that is in green was actually the highlighting that I did that was correct. I was like, oh my God, that's such a good idea. I didn't think about that. So yeah, but again, and she had a lot of green. So she really trusted her highlighting. And then after discussing in class, and then, yeah, it's pretty good, guys. So maybe you can try that too. Yes, so I think, so check this out. I have tons of highlighters. Okay, yeah. So maybe if you try maybe yellow and then you go with blue on top, it will be green. And then you know exactly the things that you highlighted that were really helpful. Okay, guys, so that's something we can try to do, okay? And please, if you do try that, leave it in the comments, okay? Yeah, I like working with colors. I think it's pretty cool, okay? Really, really helpful, and especially if you're a visual person like I am.